Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at Midvaal Raceway and we are going to have a private test afternoon. We have the next couple of hours with the track to ourselves, so it's going to be good. We're going to go for times today. I'm not going to tell you guys whatsoever what the times we need to get are going to be, but I'm sure it's going to be one hell of a good day. We've got the fellow vlogman over here and we are prepared to have a good day. How are you feeling?
Hungry.
Yeah, it was a shame we forgot his lunch at home, so we had to stop off and get some course for the man.
Okay, but I got my pie.
There we go, so you'll be alright. We're just waiting for it to cool down a little bit and then we're going to head over and have a look. It's going to be interesting to see exactly what the place looks like, because obviously we've never been here before. It looks quite eerie now. It's obviously quite abandoned and old and rustic. We've got a flat underneath the car there, the vehicle. So yeah. What you got in there, sunshine?
Pie.
Raka.
Got my leaves.
Oh, now you sorted, bro.
Got a sweet
Trackside snacks, bro. Trackside snacks.
Hey, bro.
Come and park under there where it'll be nice and cold. Oh, interesting. Just like abandoned vibes to it. Climb up into the tower, get a view. Oh, okay, so here's the... So yeah, I suppose you go down here, I think. Oh, down that way. Holy shit. So then what? Which way is drag race up? Is this part of the track then? Oh, this is the track. Oh, hello. So there's a track and a drag strip. So I'm assuming the drag strip's on that side then. Oh shit, okay. Dude, we're gonna have to get some drone videos here. Yo, I'm so glad I brought it today. Cool. So, yeah. Looking good. It's gonna be a cool day, guys. Let's have a squiz and see what we get up to. Whoa. Oh, it's going that way. Which way are you going? Oh, this is cool. There's little pit areas in here. Very nice. We're gonna hop out on the other side and see the sports vehicle. Whoa, this is cool.
So what all are we taking out of the road?
Literally just the cooler box, because the rest will all just stay in there. Dude, today's gonna be good.
Car windows, they make you look like
Okay, sick. Tires are 1.9. Let me just get this shit out. So yeah, we're at the track, fully booked. Nice, as you can see, it's packed. There's so many people here. No, the other small one. I'll check now. No, that one we can leave in there. I forgot because it was facing me, so the controls were reversed.
I wish I had that GoPro strapped to my head and saw that, bro.
I think my GoPro was recording. Alright, so we're going to do a little inspection of the...
So, this isn't a stock line.
Yes, this is a lot of rubber, yeah? Yeah, holy shit. No, this is rubber.
No, like...
Oh, the shiny stuff. Maybe. I wonder if pee can act as track bars. So you just stand here and pee, because pee's sticky, bro. And then you... Imagine. Yeah, let me just go and fly to the finish line quickly. Okay, I think close the bonnet, bro. I'll go to the finish line, so. Finish line is far. Right! Ladies and gentlemen, we are a go. I got so many different things here with me. We have the drone, we have my camera, we have this dude, we have the GoPro on my pip. We are ready. Actually want to put my camera on the ground and then get it as he takes off. That'll be quite cool. Me too. ready? Okay. Yeah. That was a disgusting launch.
That launch is actually very slow. But I think that's what Ideal did, eh?
You think so?
Torque reduction in the second gear, so
Yeah.
it's not wheel spinning the whole entire time.
Yeah, please take this. I'll follow around the track quickly.
Yeah. You're gonna be faster than him on the track right now with the drone.
Yeah.
You're gonna take it nice and
There it is.
Today we have the whole entire track to ourselves here at Midvaal Raceway. Cams is there piloting the drone.
Alright, so yeah, we are gonna get lined up
Let's see how she does.
and ready for the next pass. Yes, sir! Come on, boy, fly. Turn, 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 turn. Oh. I wonder if you got it. It was, eh? It did seem much better. Alright, getting lined up for next one. Yeah, it's nice. That sounded good.
So Cams and I are just sitting here. He's drone piloting. Yo, you can just hear this man from far. To be fair, he had better luck in that lane. Yeah, go back to your father. Come. Stop.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, we have the G80 coming through the side. Gonna see how it goes. Hopefully we can do a good time. Right. Nice. Seemed like a pretty solid pass, eh?
Let's see that thumbnail again.
Unedited, ladies and gentlemen. Unedited.
Drone shots. Check this man in his flip-flops. In this nature documentary. What the fuck?
Everybody feel like thunder and flame. Pink print blood, I'm carved in fame. Queen in my bones, not just a name. They copy my throne, can't copy my tone. Still sit pretty with a blade in chrome. All these dolls talk, but they plastic foam. I write real bars. Shakespeare home. Drip divine, my crown and fame. Cash and pain, I sip champagne. Tell them I rage, through fire, through stain.
What an afternoon this is. Hello Sipo, we are finished for the day and we are going home to put some petrol in the car. Now we are working. That will right like that. Like this and you can screw up. Well, ladies and gentlemen, successful day. We're at the track and I don't know if my glasses are skewed, but it's okay. Yeah, what a day at the track. It was successful. 5-0. You want to go straight? Oh, what a day. Nah, we just chill. We don't want to finish. What a day. How's it, bro? What a day.
Awesome guys. Thanks. So I'll drop you back to map 6 now.
Cool. You see the red lights on here?
Oh no, I caught him fucking farting a few times on camera, dude.
Like,
You want to bet? It's on his GoPro.
It's like better out than in.
yeah, exactly. Let's go.